Hey kids! Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair and whoosh, it sticks to the wall? It's a super cool trick, isn't it? It feels like magic, but it's actually science. Today, we're going to discover the amazing magic behind this fun and exciting phenomenon and learn all about why balloons love to stick to things after a good rub. Get ready to explore the invisible forces that make this happen. When you rub the balloon on your hair, something truly invisible and fascinating happens. It's not something you can see with your eyes, but it's definitely there. Your hair actually gives the balloon tiny things called electrons. Imagine them as super energetic, super small particles. These electrons are so incredibly small. They're even smaller than dust particles you see floating in a sunbeam, and much, much smaller than germs. So tiny you absolutely can't see them with your eyes, even with a super powerful magnifying glass. They're the secret ingredient in our balloon trick. These little electrons are special because they carry a negative charge. Think of it like a tiny, invisible magnet with a negative side. When they all gather together on the balloon becomes full of this negative energy. It's like the balloon is collecting all these tiny negative magnets. That makes it quite special, almost like it's holding a secret kind of electricity. This buildup of charge is what we call static electricity, and it's what makes the balloon ready for its next trick. Now, what about the wall? It might look plain and boring, just a regular wall, but the wall also has its own tiny positive and negative charges hidden within it. Everything around us, even walls, is made of these tiny charged particles. When the negatively charged balloon comes close to the wall, the negative charges on the balloon actually push away the wall's negative charges, because like charges repel each other, just like two negative ends of a magnet. At the same time, the balloon's negative charges pull the wall's positive charges closer because opposite charges attract. Boom! Just like that, the balloon and the wall stick together, almost like best friends who just found each other. That's why your balloon sticks not just to walls, but also to the ceiling or even your clothes. It's all thanks to something called static electricity, a type of electricity that doesn't move through wires like the electricity that powers your lights, but instead builds up in one place and makes things attract each other. It's a lot of fun to experiment with. You can try it on different surfaces and see what happens. Maybe try it on a window or even your pet's fur. Just be gentle, of course. It's a simple yet powerful force that's always around us. So next time you play with balloons and make them stick, remember, you're not just having fun, you're actually doing real science. You're observing and understanding the amazing power of static electricity. Static electricity is all around us, in everything from lightning in a storm to the little shock you sometimes get when you touch a doorknob. It's waiting for you to explore and discover its secrets. Keep experimenting, keep asking questions, and keep learning. See you in the next exciting science adventure, where we'll uncover even more cool scientific mysteries.